Most people think, it was only a small bill. How bad can it be? But credit does not work that way. A $120 phone bill, a $75 internet balance, or a missed gym payment can turn into a collection. Once that happens, your credit report may show a bigger problem than the dollar amount suggests. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Discover how small bills can impact your credit score. Understand the types of collections to watch for. Learn why disputed charges can lead to big problems. Get tips for closing accounts and avoiding collections, and find out the importance of saving payment confirmations. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Final bill, the last bill after you close or switch an account. Early termination fee, a charge for ending a contract before the agreed time is over. Buy now, pay later, a service that lets you buy something now and pay in smaller payments over time. Now, let's jump in. A collection means a company says you did not pay, so the account was sent or sold to a collector. This can happen with electric, gas, water, internet, cable, cell phone bills, equipment charges, early termination fees, subscriptions, gym memberships, and buy now, pay later services. It is not just credit cards and loans. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. That means your report tells a story about how risky you look to lenders, landlords, banks, insurers, and other companies. When a collection shows up, the system may not care that it was only $120. It sees that an account went unpaid long enough to reach collections. Here is the frustrating part. Some utility and phone companies do not report your monthly on-time payments, so you may pay for years and get no credit boost. But if the final balance is missed, they may send it to collections. That means you got little credit benefit while paying, but you can still be hurt if the ending goes wrong. Many of these collections come from messy situations. Maybe you returned a cable box, but it was never credited. Maybe the final bill went to your old address. Maybe you switched phone carriers and thought the new company paid the balance. Maybe auto billing kept charging after you cancelled. These are common problems, not rare ones. Before you close an account, ask for the final balance in writing. Return equipment and keep the receipt or tracking number. Save emails that confirm cancellation. Watch your bank account for 1 or 2 months after closing. If you move, update your address. A small leftover balance can become a big headache if nobody catches it.